afternoon, Bob from Trade Genius here. It's Wednesday, the 6th of April, and it was a very good day for us. And so we're watching the market for a breakout or a breakdown, and it chose to break out. But I'm going to start with a chart with the freebie I gave out yesterday. I said there was a signal that we're watching on XON, a stock that we trade quite a bit. It's just a beautiful, beautiful trending chart. And at 34.50, we're a buyer. We set buy stops, and we had a confirmation this morning that we're going into another up move. And we bounced around underneath it. We hit 34.50, a little bit of a dip, and then we popped into the close. And the trade right now is up 2%. So keeping an eye on it. I'd love to be able to get 5% on it. So I'm likely to close this thing at low 36 if it reaches up. And it does these weird things a lot where you'll get these wicks on these candles will reach up for somebody that probably has a short on it, and they have a buy stop underneath it. On top of it. And it reaches up to grab them. So my hope is to do a sell limit on it and get out around 36.22 would be ideal for me. That would give us 5%. But I'm just watching. If I get a rollover like here, I'll get out right away and take whatever profit I got. So that's that on XON. Our bread and butter XIV came through like a champ once again. And this is a bit misleading down here at the bottom. It looks like it hit on the open, but in reality, there's a lag on this. It's an hourly. So after the first hour, my program actually hit it, and that's when I bought, and we were at 24.85 area. And I took that trade, and then I wrote it, but I jumped off. I took 3.5% profit on it, and it's just part of my my discipline here. I've just been burned too many times holding, and this thing's just been it's just a money machine for me. So another 3.5% we took on it today. Got out at the 25.70 area. If we stay in it, that's great. I never know what tomorrow holds. Push back down again. I'll look for another shot. But we're a little long in the tooth here, and I'll just wait for the next setup. As you can see, you don't have to wait long. And then let's see what's the last thing I want to show. We're in GDX, but it's just grinding. And the reason why I'm holding it now, it's holding this range really, really well. And my stop's way down in here. I'm in no hurry to trade this out. But this rectangle that's forming here is giving it good support. And once it goes, I'm looking for 10 or 15% move minimum on GDX, and probably come at the end of April when Yellen is telling everybody that they're not going to raise rates again, and so we'll just be in good shape to take GDX and ride it up. I doubt I'm going to get taken out, but if I am, I'll just buy back in on the next buy signal. But I'm holding for right now. We're slightly positive on the trade. And then let me just finish up with SPY and show you what I was looking for. So I was watching yesterday if it was going to break 204 and then roll down into this next Fibonacci and support zones, or if it's going to push back up through this downtrend line here. And it just kept getting supported at 204. So somebody wanted to protect it here. And then it was off to the races, broke the downtrend line. This is an uptrend line. It looks like it's trying to kiss it. And if it goes into an ideal situation, going short next week, would for the market to kind of just putz around here the next day or two, catch this zone right here, this fib zone, which I've been waiting for forever. This is also a point of control where there's a lot of volume. In fact, the most volume in the last year is in this area on the futures version of the SPY, which is the ES. And then I would like for it to kiss the underside of this downtrend line and then for us to get a good correction going into the summer. But I trade what I see, and right now they're desperately trying to hold this market up. But take a day at a time. I'm just giving my thoughts. So anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'll probably throw out another free trade tomorrow for everybody, and hopefully we'll pocket XON and we'll all make some money together, and we'll go off to the next one. Thanks. Have a great day.